Hello everyone! So today I'm gonna be doing a theory about Silent Salt Cookie, the last beast. Well, I guess it's kind of a theory, but is this also my first long-form video on this channel, so I'd support it if you give me any tips. But there is, I think, quite a bit of evidence for this theory, in my opinion. So I'm gonna be starting from, well, not too much, but like, the evidence that there is pretty, like, backed up. But I'll be starting from the most easily, like, misproven, like, it could be, like, a coincidence, to, like, there's no denying it, you know?
Number 15, Burger King foot lettuce.
So, the first piece of evidence that I think could be pretty easily misproven, but I feel like it's still got some sort of, like, backing up, is that the event coming in September, this is the only week I could find, but is literally about the St. Pastry order and finding out the secrets about it, which is, the event is going to be right before the Silent Salt release. So, the reason you could easily misprove this is because, like, none of the other events that came before any of the other beasts were related to, like, their story too much. The second piece of evidence is on these guys from the St. Pastry Order story, the NPCs, but particularly this one. And the reason is, look at that symbol that's on her weapon. I don't know. It looks like a staff. I have no idea. You cannot convince me that is not, like, at least very similar symbols. Although I guess you could say this one on the St. Pastry Order NPC is more like a diamond. It's purple and it kind of looks like a lily. Okay, finally, evidence-free, which is the last piece of evidence. And I saved it for last because I think it makes the most sense, and you can't really prove it wrong that much. This, okay, is a picture, a map of Beastiest, and we can show it shows the Spire of Deceit and Truth, the Flower Peak of Transcendence, and it shows everything, like, where the beast will be. Do you notice the place on the very top, kind of near Fairywood, and I guess above the Spire of Deceit and Truth? It's called the Land of Silence. Yup. Salt Flatlands. I'm pretty sure you can't misprove that this is the Land of Silent Salt, okay? But do you see that symbol in the middle of it? Must I say any more? But okay, fine. If you still don't believe me, and you're still convinced that, but I thought Elder Fairy was Silent Salt, that wouldn't make any sense. I have one last piece of evidence that I feel like really proves this. I feel like maybe it's a coincidence. I don't know, but look at what Pastry Cookie says in this story. Book of Salt.